Welcome to our session on From Manager to Leader, Making the Mindset Shift. Today, we'll explore essential leadership development and mindset training for emerging leaders. Managers control tasks, focus on efficiency, direct and react to problems. Leaders inspire, focus on growth, coach, and anticipate future challenges. Understanding these differences is crucial for effective leadership development. To lead effectively, shift from doing to enabling by fostering others' expertise. Move from controlling to trusting, emphasizing outcomes and people. Transition from reacting to visioning, focusing on future horizons rather than immediate issues. Leadership is a daily choice, prioritizing people over processes and purpose over comfort. The key question is, are you solving problems for your team? Or are you building a team that solves problems? The leadership journey involves being legacy-minded, vision-driven, people-focused, and self-aware. Leaders often revisit these stages to enhance their self-awareness and growth. Each stage is crucial for developing effective leadership skills. Avoid the rescue trap by allowing your team to find solutions, fostering confidence. The busyness trap confuses activity with impact. Leaders need thinking space. The approval trap prioritizes being liked over making the right decisions. Lastly, the comfort trap hinders growth by avoiding difficult conversations. Embrace discomfort for true development. Commit to 3 leadership shifts. First, ask before answering to coach your team in finding solutions. Second, schedule time to lead by blocking time for vision, feedback, and development. Third, identify one person to grow and invest intentionally in their advancement.